You guys ever wonder why I downshift a lot? Manually downshift with the paddle shifters? Because believe it or not, this engine is flexible as all get out, and she loves to be used that way. Also, it's easy on my pockets. I'm not going through brake pads every 6 months because I slow the bike down by downshifting. I think the engine loves it. I think it's healthy for your engine. We're gonna have to take this in sport mode. I mean, when you really want to get out of the way, you gotta really drop the hammer and get going. Vigilant out there, guys. We are riding naked, which brings me to the subject. Do you ride according to what gear you have on? So if you guys notice, I'm wearing my Reax Bridger armored shirt, and while it has level 2 armor in the shoulders and the elbows and a back protector in place that is C level 1, it ain't no leather jacket. It's not a textile 600 denier or whatever they're using. Has it changed my riding? Or better yet, leave in the comments below. Does the kind of gear you're wearing dictate how you ride? If you have a helmet on and you're accustomed to wearing a full face, do you find yourself riding a bit more cautiously? I guess I should be asking myself that question. Am I riding a little bit differently because I'm not as quote-unquote protected as I could be? Now, granted, I don't feel like I'm butt-ass out here, but I don't feel that same sure feeling that I get when I'm wearing a leather or a heavy textile. I am enjoying the ride nonetheless, but I'm aware of it. And I am adjusting my riding accordingly, or so it would appear. Leave a comment below. Do you ride to your gear? I mean, your skill set is your skill set, but common sense is common sense. And let's hope we don't have to test out the gear, because when I am wearing a relaxed gear, and let's face it, that's what it is. When I'm wearing relaxed gear, I don't want to get off anyway, but I don't even want to trip off or fall off in a pothole at 2 miles an hour. How well is an armored shirt going to hold up? They say ride for the slide. I say try not to slide. Avoid the slide. And keep it in sport mode. Yeah, she get a little jumpy. Show is fun. You guys enjoying this kind of content and you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Gotta get out of this lane. Back to the question about the gear. I must say, when I am wearing riding jeans, I do have a tendency to be, let's say, keep my legs tucked in more. I don't know, it's probably psychological. But when I wear a dedicated motorcycle suit, like my Tech Touring Alpine Star suit. I just feel so much more bottled up. I don't know. Maybe it's all in my head. You know, sport mode does cause the condition of like happiness and silly thoughts. Throttle response notwithstanding. Yeah, things are busy out here, but they're moving. It's all right. Thank you, sir. We are running a little low on petrol. It appears that I have another few gallons left, but I like to top her off so we don't have to make that stop off in the morning. You guys know that gas station I like to go to before I get on the parkway. A favorite place for a jump off, in which I have not done in a while. Do I owe you guys one? Yeah, I'll try to get you one. I'll try to get you one. What's going on here? Just want to make sure our boys in blue are behaving themselves. Stay in your place. I'll call you when I need you. We're gonna get off here. Let's get her out of sport mode so she doesn't get too happy. Oh, I love this motorcycle. Speak to you real soon. Oh, I promise you guys a jump off. I'm gonna get you that jump off. Not my favorite exit ramp. Well, I can't say that. You get to do stuff. The ins and outs. Do I have enough space here? Yeah, I do, but you know what? Sometimes these guys in these Hemis, they like to get a little bit macho. And you know, motorcyclists, or I should say motorcycles, every once in a while, a guy on a motorcycle or anyone on a motorcycle can let off a vibe of aggression. It's like silent power or silent aggression. Leave in the comments below. What are your thoughts on that? Do you feel somewhat powerful, or do you feel that your presence is aggressive when you pull up to a stop or at an off ramp or an on ramp? Do you feel like, or is it me? Hey, this is GB. I'm asking you guys, how do you feel? Or maybe it's all in my head. Maybe it was that day that I had at the office that has me feeling extra. How about that? Guys, you think they're hating me for this? Maybe that's where all the hate comes from. Who knows? Look, I wish everyone had a vehicle that we're using that was easily maneuverable, and as a result had less emissions and less of a footprint. I drive a car as well, and I don't get jealous when a motorcycle snakes its way to the front. I really don't. Leave in the comments below. How does that make you feel? Do you feel uncomfortable when the car does that? Especially when they're wearing a riding shirt and they look kind of casual. Let's get some gas, guys. Put some petrol. Let's get you guys to jump off. There it is, folks. 2018 Honda Goldwing TCT Tour airbag. Thanks for coming along for the ride. This is GB Winging It, and I'm out.